Hi, my name is Amanda Stewart. I enjoyed watching several videos this week, and it was nice to see the faces. One of them that I really related to and wanted to expand upon, and that just spurred on some thoughts, was Nathalie's video. She referenced cultural humility from page 163, and the definition defines it as assuming a posture that seeks to understand and learn from another's perspective. And just having it goes on to say that if counselors can combine the understanding of others with good self-awareness and self-understanding, then this posture of cultural humility fits very well with a Christian worldview. I know that as I was interviewing an LPC a couple weeks ago, one of the things that she mentioned that another local counselor had said to her is that your clients will be your biggest teachers. And that was something I hadn't really thought about, and I thought that's interesting. But I think as you work with people, as in any field, you learn the most on the job, and I assume it's the same in counseling. And she said that she could completely relate to that our clients will be our greatest teachers. And I think in order to have that perspective, you have to approach the relationship with humility. And I know on page 163 164, it just talked about that the bottom line for counselors who identify as Christ followers is that our highest ethic is love. And I think as Christians as a whole, that's our greatest goal, is to love others. And there's the entire Bible sums that up. And so I think, how would that not relate to counselors, a profession that is, the purpose of it is to love people? And what an honor it is to get to be a witness, to see people be healed by the gospel and God's truth and his love, and that we get to be participants in that, and to recognize that it's not on us, that we get to rejoice when there is change, and it's also not on us when a client's not ready for that. And so just with any ministry and being a believer in general, your motivation should be love, and to recognize that with the Holy Spirit's help, that we get to participate in his work, and but that he's the one that does all the work. And so I love how so many of the videos from classmates brought that up, and this one in particular also, she talked about this.